from the middle of nowhere.
Shit. Well played. You want more?
No, you should not do that as a child.
Not my bag!
Oh no.
Watch the road.
Ah, you're kidding me.
You reckon I can fix the trailer?
For real.
Fuck! Yes. Oh, it completely ripped off the axle.
I actually call that on video.
Does it not have the, like a fucking chain?
Let's put this gas all over the mouth.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We're actually so lucky that doesn't explode.
Yikes. Oh, fuck. That's mine.
If I would have said no, all of our trips went like this, that would be a lie.
Yeah.
Remember Kai Mai's?
Genuinely, like, surprisingly being good.
What other stuff
do we have? What happened with Kai Mai? Because Dante saw the door open, and then we looked back, Van pulled over. Yeah, Dante, wait, can someone tell them to lock it?
We're just doing the back.
The wheel block.
You're the clowns. I see the clowns are here. Where's the good stuff?
If you want to share a barrel, you can do. Do not mix up the lids.
Who's been in one of these big canoes before? Nobody. Yikes.
Thank you.
Our first day is from here all the way. That's our first day.
Whoever capsizes first has to clean Jacques' dishes. Oh my god.
Mate, two bones intertwined.
He's running lane one. Alright. Alright, we have to move right. Avoid the log, move right. Clear of log. Straighten. Switching. Rock on left.
Just chill out. Up here.
Paddle hard right.
Paddling right.
Okay. Oh, we're going straight into a rock. Woo! Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Oh, you see where to shoot the V? Right in front of us.
Yep.
These people are going way too slow. Go quicker!
Alright, I'm paddling right. Set.
Yeah. Go.
Going.
Get low. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Lean into it, lean into it, lean into it. Lean into it, lean into it.
Nice. Nice.
Easy.
Nice. Nice. Nice, Carlos. Nice.
Well played.
Holy
Someone's
shit.
gonna crash into that. Oh. No capsizes yet. Someone capsized.
Woo!
We're gonna capsize.
Someone's down. Eddie out on the left, I think. Yeah, Eddie out. I'll Eddie us out. Do you want to paddle hard on your right? Oh, knew it. Jonas and Julian. Nice. It floats. It floats. It's going upstream.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah. Switching. Switching.
So many misses. No Ronaldos.
Put it in the water, Hunter.
Javier, you want to build something?
That, and then hold it there, brace yourself.
Yep, we're following.
Oh, you went in the drink. You went into the drink, so that's nice. Do not, please don't collide with us. Fuck your phone!
That was way too big of a challenge. Oh shoot, that's a... Good luck lads, be safe. Go, 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 go! For the love of God, don't mount my table.
Yeah, is that fire big enough, Luca?
Alright, what do we got? Chicken patties. In here we've got sweet potatoes and pumpkin for a side dish. Here's our toppings for it. What I'm going to do now, do you eat cheese?
I do eat
Would you like
cheese.
some cheese on your chicken?
I would love cheese on my chicken.
Brilliant. Just chuck a slice of cheese. We're camping, bare hands. Chuck a slice of cheese on each. A minute, 2 minutes actually. Yumminess. Straight up, yumminess. Yeah, shout out to Carefully Crafted Timbers, Aboda.
Subscribe to testingtoys.com. Like and subscribe, you know? Yeah, get that merch.
No, we're not. It's that.
I won!
Yeah, nice.
Danny, come chuck it in the bin. Okay, the next one's fun.
Good morning.
We fell through on pancakes in Frankfurt.
Lean downstream like you're on a motorbike.
Mr. Rod, I love you.
I'm recording. Yeah.
Bro, that was easy.
Clearly.
Bro, look at how much water we got.
Oh, you just fucked up my kneecap.
They went over. Another one over.
Another one!
I don't care. I don't care.
We made it! Yeah!
Woo!
I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna be naked. I'm literally, don't take videos of this one. I'm climbing them up next time. Not me! He saw the two boats like flip over and he was like, oh fuck, I'm not. He was like, we can't take that line, we can't take that line. I'm like, bro, it's the right line. We just need to fucking power it, you know, and like, then we'll make it. So I'm like this shit, I'm like, get low, get low. I don't think he was,
We didn't get low.
I think he was hesitating, basically. And I was like, lean right. I think he was hesitating because we weren't going as fast as I think we could have. And then as soon as we hit the ditch, the water came in the front and we were done.
Oh my god. I cannot see Jack.
Rock and roll.
3 wide.
Go on, P, go on in, do something.
Go paddle, Carlos, paddle, paddle, Carlos, paddle. How'd it get down here?
This is so funny.
Oh, that's nice here though. That's refreshing.
We were all good.
The top?
Yep, and then the other bit goes underneath the bar. You just throw it over there exactly. Done.
No, he's gonna make it angry. He's made it angry. So Mr. Like this shit.
Throwing up.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny. Oh, chubby bunny.
Oh, if he sees that, I'm going to get them off there. Yeah, just a little dog.
Don't choke.